If you're having Ethernet speed problems, essentially two computers, same Ethernet port to connecting to, and one of them gives around this speed. The other one gives a way slower speed. So in my case, it gave 120, this very computer right here. And essentially how to fix it, hopefully this helps you guys. So what you want to do is you want to go run as admin, the command prompt, and let's pull that guy up. Essentially run this command to show your TCP interface settings, and then here, this is the key guy you were looking for right here. What we did is we actually went from normal to disabled, right? So you can run this command right after this one. And this gets us down to 35, and then by rerunning it, for whatever reason, it just shot up to like 680. So this fixed the problem, hopefully helps you guys out.